Hello guys, it's Jether here again, and we are here with another video. Still working on a courier website. For those who don't know what a courier website is, it's kind of like a logistic website where you enter your tracking code to see exactly your shipment. Understand? So this is a script as well, so you know what to do if you want to get a script. The link is in the description below, or you actually just um, DM me on my WhatsApp or any of my social media platforms. I will leave my link as well, so you can actually just go through it. Okay. Now, back to this. Let's reload it and see how it looks when it refreshes. There you go. Now, it's basically very easy. It's very easy to work on. It's not something that's hard, you know. Now, let's enter our tracking code. Let's try that. It's the layout is okay. It looks professional. So, why don't we try a tracking code to see how it looks? I've actually tried a lot, so let's just try this one. I've tried a lot earlier, so don't mind all those that are there. So now it should load up, and here is your tracking or your shipment details. Yeah, shipment. Now you should know you can actually change all these things. This is the sender details, the receiver's details, then the sender's name, receiver's name, email, more details, the package size, the weight, the package declaration item, that's the suitcase, the declared weight. We have the origin port, the carrier status if it's on hold or in dispatch date, and estimated delivery date. Then the current location as well on the bottom. Now everything, then you have a map right here which you can easily navigate through. It's very easy to use and everything. So why don't we walk through the process of getting the whole stuff done. So let me open my cPanel real quick, okay? Okay, so the cPanel is loading, and here we are. This is a cPanel. So you just go to File Manager, and this actually I'm gonna have to delete. Go to your public HTML. I'm gonna have to delete everything here. Um, delete all. Yeah, confirm. Now we need to delete everything. Size, empty trash. No, view trash. Empty the trash again. That should do it. Now back to the trash is empty now. Yes, back to our public HTML. Where are you? There you are. Now directory is empty. So what we do is the usual stuff we always do. It's very simple. So let's go first. We need to delete the database as well. Database, MySQL databases. So now let's delete all the databases as well, because I already have a database. So I want to show you everything from scratch. So delete database. Go back. Where are you? Delete user. Let's delete the user as well. Yeah, let's just delete it. Delete users, and go back. Sorry, you can skip this procedure if you are just starting for the first time, but because I already have a website in here before, I need to clear everything so we can walk through the process together. Don't know if you get me. So that was what I was working on. So now let's go back to the cPanel as a file manager over there, and now what we'll do is, yeah, we're on public HTML. So let's upload the scripts for it. So where are you? I think it's in downloads. Then what did I save it with? Okay, it should be popping up real soon. I can't just remember that what I saved it with. I think it's carrier, or I think, what did I save it with? Flight shipments. Yeah, this one. That is it. So now I'll upload this and let it load in. It's a simple procedure. You should understand how just follow my steps and you get it. Now in the database system, we're going to create a new database. Let's just use that. That's what we always use. In the other channel we always use this, so let's use testing for this one. Let's take the other one and copy that. Create database. Why we copy this? Because we're going to use the same name for the user. I prefer everything just being the same name. I don't want to spoil any of my thing in my env. So now the database user will use the same name as well. No, we're supposed to use the same name. Yeah, there. Now let's generate the password, and please always copy the password. Then You won't be able to go further if you don't copy the password. Then use password. Then now create user. Now don't save that password. Let's just save this in our notepad here real quick. That's the password. Real quick. Then go back. I just saved it there because you will need it in future. So save yours as well. Then now let's add user and database together. Add that together, and we should have this allow privileges. But in other cPanels, like the updated version of cPanel doesn't have this anymore. It's this now. You put the database name here, and the same thing is our user, so it's just the same thing. We don't need to stress ourselves since it's the same thing. That's why I said I prefer using the same thing for database name and user. So not is it the client area? No, not there. We need to go back to the file manager. But now everything here would not be like that in the how will I explain it now, in the nest in your cPanel, because cPanel have had some updates, so it's different from the way it is now. It's totally different. Get me? It's different. So why don't we go back to PHP my admin? We want to update the database now. I want to install the SQL database I already created. So for this one is the database we just created. Now let's import all the details. That's all the SQL databases and all the back-end details we need for our website. Get me? That's including the admin, the API connections, everything. So that's what we're working on right now. So let's just quickly import and choose a file. I think it's where it should be an SQL, so it should be close to where we found the other one. Flash shipments. Not the one. Not this one. It should be close to where the flight shipment is. There you are. Flight DBS SQL. That's it. So now open that. It's an SQL. So please do it exactly what I'm doing here. Just do exactly what I'm doing here. You will not get it wrong. Okay. So now import that. Now everything is installed in here. Now if you can check this out, you see there's new and admin in there, so it means that is okay. Now over here we see that it's working already. We have finished installing the zip file. So what we just do is go back, and it should appear here. Now we unzip it. That's extract it. Extract all the files in there, and close that. Now everything is here, so it's easy. So what we need to do, we need to do something first. But first, let's just go ahead. Then I'll tell you as time goes on. We'll get this in enough. Okay, now every detail is actually here, but we need to add our database in here as well, because there's something we need to do. This is a PHP script. Yeah, HTML and PHP scripts, most of them. So there are some things we need to add from our database that needs to be here. That's why I said you should save the database name, database password, and database username. But in our case, we use the same name for database name and users. So we're using the same thing. So I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So now let's find where it is. It should be in now delete this one first. Let's delete this. Not download. Jita, what are you doing? Delete. I'm sorry guys. Delete. Now confirm that. Now I basically download it. Cancel it. Thank God for slow network. Now cancel that, and let's go over to the website to see how it looks. Why don't we check it out first? I think we should now. Or okay, you know what? Let's just check the website out. Let's just check the website out. Where is it now? Okay, let's just copy the name and put it there. Now I explained that earlier. In the DB, we need to put the database name and the database users in here before we can actually use the website. It should be. It's not in assets. It's up one level. It should be down, not vendors. No. I know I saved it as db.php. Where are you? It's admin. Should it be in admin? I'm not sure it's in admin. Up one level. So why I'm searching for it, don't worry, as I'm searching for it now, you should understand now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't know what you're waiting for. We actually post updates about uh a lot of things about websites and web design, how to create websites, scripts, free scripts, paid scripts, premium scripts, and we help install scripts, create websites, create applications as well. That's all we do in Jether Technology. But this channel is dedicated to just our web scripts. So we're just going to review scripts, teach scripts, and give out scripts and all. So I've still not found it yet, but I'll find it soon though. So that is it. Now I wanted to show you the website, but why I stopped and came back here is because it's not there. It's okay. It's because let's look for this thing. The main reason I didn't show you the website, mainly I went back to the cPanel is because you can actually, if you were to load the website, it won't actually budge because the database name and user that is there is the previous one. So you need to use the active database name and user that we use in this script. That's in installing it right now in this domain and this hosting. So that's exactly what we need to use. You get, that's exactly what we need to use. That's why I saved those names and users there. So why don't we not logs not there? So why don't we do it now? The funny thing now is this database that I'm looking for, this database.php, might be sitting around right here, and I'm just looking for it up and down. That's what happens when you zip a file. When you're coding it, you remember everything, but the moment you abandon the project and go to the next, you kind of forget most. See, I told you to be here, just staring at me. Is that not it? Oh, that's not it. Oh, it should be okay. Not in AdSense. Not in fonts. Not down. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm still thinking it should be around here. It's not in admin. I know it's not in admin, but let's just check though. Um, uh, no. It's named database .php db store. Not this one. I know that was I used to name it database.php. If it's database.p, oh, it's db.php. I'm sorry, guys. Here it is. I say we use db.php right here. That's it. db.php. I thought it was database. That's no issue. So now this is what we'll do. Let's edit this file. Edit it. Now and add our database name, user, and password. Over here, go to the editor in there. So now you see where are you? Database pass no the name. Let's copy the name first. Where are you? So many tabs here. Okay, now database name, you put it there. It will be like DB name. That will be the DB name. Then database username, the same thing. The same thing there. Take it back. Don't make any mistakes. Then database password. We go back to the password. And over here. And paste it here. Be careful to not copy the semicolon as well and paste it right there. Take it back. Now, so that shouldn't make a mistake. Now let's save the changes. So everything should be committed. I'm sorry, it's not GitHub. Everything should be changed already, saved now. So now why don't we try out the website now? Now let's copy the link here and go to the link, open it. Connection is secure. Continue to site. This is an SQL issue, so that's not hard. It's all about your hosting. If your hosting is okay, it's gonna show that now. You see, it's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading up. Why? I don't know if you feel it's taking too long to load up. If it's taking too long to load up, try .php again. This is one. Remove that. Let's open the admin. Is it that admin? No, copy it and go over to a new tab and yeah. Now it's opened already. It's open already. Now you see it's exactly what I showed you in the first video. Now everything is done and okay under the same domain we used. Now if we enter a tracking code in here, we can actually use it to duplicate this tab. And let's go to the admin of this tab. We need to duplicate it so we can go to the admin. So you can see both the front end and the back end. This is the front end. Now let's go to the back end. Let's use this other tab here for the back end, and slash, just add slash is easy, slash admin, then go in there, slash admin, and click enter. It should pop here. Now the database name and password would not be admin and admin, so we need to go back to PHP my admin to find the admin password and the admin and the database name. No, the admin password and the admin name, sorry, admin password and the admin name. So we need to go back to our. Now you should understand that everything you are seeing here are just make up details, so you can actually change the logo and everything to your taste. But if you want me to do that for you, you can as well leave me a message on my WhatsApp in the description below. I think if you want me to install it for you and make all the changes to your taste, create the logo, make everything, and show you how to use it, everything will be below. But I'll be posting a video soon on everything, on the walkthrough on how to use the Carrier website. So now let's go to our admin over here in the page from admin. You remember the page my admin we actually imported something into that's the SQL database into. That is what we are doing. So now we go over to our admin, and here we are. This is the username and this is the password. So let's copy the username, copy that, and over to the password. First, let's paste this first. If I forget, not there. Yeah. Let's paste it here. The username. Paste that there. Now let's go to the password. PHP my admin again. Where are you? There you are. Not there. What happened to my mouse? There you are. Then the password. Copy the password as well. Copy all that. Copy. You can change that as well. You can change the password and the username. It's just a choice, but this is a test video, so I'm just showing you how. Copy that and paste it over here. Paste. Now sign in. Let's sign in. Now once you sign in, everything is gonna be alright because it's gonna work well. I just want to show you how you can actually create your tracking details to send to whoever you want to send it to. Now we have two basically right here. We have just two. Now let's add a tracking. We have two. This is all testers. There's print receipt and there's settings. You can print the receipt and add tracking. So those are left for you to figure out, but I'll show you everything. If you need my help and my assistance with anything, you can subscribe to the channel, or but now let's copy this first, or you leave me a message on WhatsApp and I'll answer your questions immediately, or you leave a comment below. Now we've copied this tracking number over here. Let's go to the website, the front end, which is this one, not this one, not that one, not that one. That's the cPanel. Nope. These are all cPanel. This should be where. Sorry, too many tabs. I can barely even get exactly where it is. But let's just index.html first. Hold on, I think I need to fix something real quick. Let's edit this. Edit this. The index.html. I'll tell you why I'm editing it, but let's edit it first. Yeah, so we need to change the name. I thought you can actually change it to everything you want to change it to. That's change the name, the logo, everything, the details on it. Change it to your taste, the email address, every single thing. You can change it to anything you want. That's the main reason I opened this. So you can actually just, this is the code. But if you don't know, if you're not familiar with coding and you need help, don't hesitate to message me on my WhatsApp link below. My WhatsApp number is below. You can now, if you don't know what you want to find, you can just search it there. This is a cPanel text editor, so it's easy. But if you don't know how to make it, like make the changes, and you don't want to spoil anything, contact me and I'll spoil it. I'll spoil it for you and fix it as well. I'll edit everything and make it out, make it work to your standard. You just need to tell me how you want it, and I'll make it exactly how you want it. Hope we're all clear now. So this is how you can edit everything. There are no stress, no bubbles, no issues in editing it right here. It's workable, it's doable. So now with that, you can actually see, you just copy the ad tracking details and everything should work perfectly. Now this video is just to show you how to install it and make some edits and everything. I'll be dropping a video on how you can use this career website. But if you need my assistance with everything or anything, you can actually um leave me a message on my WhatsApp below. You can purchase the script from the link below, or you can purchase it by messaging me directly. Everything you can do from the description below. So why don't you go ahead and click on the description, leave me a subscribe, click on the subscribe button as well, and leave me a follow. Thanks for having you, and see you next time.